Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to check your monitor resolution in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to turn on your computer and wait until your Windows 11 system completely loads up. Make sure everything is fully booted and you're on your desktop before moving forward. This ensures that all your display settings are properly initialized and ready to be accessed. Once your PC is ready and you're on your desktop, navigate to any blank space on your Windows desktop. Right-click on this empty area, and a context menu will appear with several options. From this list, look for and click on Display Settings. This option is your gateway to all the visual and monitor configuration options available in Windows 11, including resolution settings, multiple display management, and scaling options. After clicking Display Settings, a new display window will open up. This window contains all the customization options for your monitor and visual output. From this window, you'll need to scroll down until you find the Scale and Layout section. This section is where Windows groups all the important display parameters that affect how content appears on your screen, including text size, app scaling, and of course your screen resolution. Within the Scale and Layout section, you'll see the Display Resolution option with a drop-down menu next to it. Go ahead and click on this drop-down menu. When you do, you'll see a complete list of all the monitor resolutions that your display is capable of supporting. These resolutions are listed in different formats, typically showing width by height in pixels, such as 1920 by 1080 or 2560 by 1440. Now, here's the key part. To see the actual monitor resolution you're currently using, look for the resolution that has a recommended tag next to it. This is important because Windows 11 automatically detects your display hardware and recommends the best suiting resolution based on your monitor's specifications and capabilities. The recommended resolution ensures you get the sharpest image quality and the best overall visual experience for your specific display. This automatic detection takes into account your monitor's native resolution and aspect ratio, so following the recommendation typically gives you optimal results. And there you have it. You've successfully checked your monitor resolution in Windows 11 and now know exactly what resolution your display is running at. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.